Hello and welcome to Sort of Cells classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also, as it requires only your basic mathematical and numerical skills like mathematical skills from class 6 to class 10. So people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks in this portion. So let's start with the first problem. Here we are told that a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Then we have to find the value of 1 by a plus b into b plus c plus 1 by a plus c into b plus a plus 1 by c plus a into c plus b. So let's start the solution of this problem. 1 by a plus b into b plus c plus 1 by a plus c into b plus a plus 1 by c plus a into c plus b. So first of all, we evaluate the LCM of the numerators, sorry, of the denominators. Okay, so first of all, we take a plus b, therefore here we get b plus c, and here we get a plus c, and this remains intact, c plus a into c plus b. Further we take b plus c, therefore we get 1 here, here we get a plus c, and here we get a plus c also. Then lastly we take a plus c, hence we get 1 1. Therefore the LCM is a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. So our problem reduces to a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now first of all, we have a plus b into b plus c in the denominator. Therefore if we add the three fractions, then in the first place we get a plus c, secondly we get a plus b plus c, and lastly we get a plus b. Therefore after adding all the terms in the numerator, we get 2 into a plus b plus c, and in the denominator we have a plus b into b plus c, c plus a. Now by the question, the value of a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Therefore this reduces to 0. So our correct answer is option B. Now let's jump to the next question. The radius of the base of a conical tent is 16 meter, and the and the and it requires 427 and a 3 by 7 square meter canvas to construct the tent. Then The slant height of the tent is what? We need to find that. So here we have a conical tent, and we know that the conical tent has a surface area equals to pi RL. Conical tent has surface area equals to pi RL, where R is equals to the radius of base and L is equals to slant height. Okay. Now by the question, the radius is equals to 16 divided by 2. Sorry, the radius is 16 meter, and the surface area is 427 and not 3 by 7. Therefore we get 427 and 3 by 7 is equals to pi RL, which reduces to 22 by 7 into 16 into L. Hence we get 2992 divided by 7 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 16 is equals to L. Okay. So after calculating this multiplication, so we get L is equals to 8.5 meter. Okay. So the slant height of the conical tent is 8.5 meter. Hence D is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. So if you want to join our classes, so feel free to contact us in these two numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756, and for further details you also can check our website, which is www.saurasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.